sounds that fire alarm. Sam is always cool and calm. If you're stuck, give him a shout. He'll be there to help you out. So move aside, make way for Fireman Sam, 'cause he's gonna save the day. Fireman Sam, 'cause he's brave to the core. Sam is the hero next door.
I can't wait to see the new Flex Dexter film. Me too. We just need to wash 6 cars and we'll have enough money.
Brilliant! When I grow up, I want to be an action hero just like Flex Dexter.
Yes, James, you look just like an action hero. Hi, Mike. Would you like to be our first car wash customer?
Oh, sorry, Sarah, but I've just had my van washed. And I have to say, Norman and Hannah did a grand job.
Norman and Hannah?
Oh, yes! They've got a jet washer and everything. And they haven't got their foot stuck in a bucket.
But we'll never get enough money to see the movie if they take all our customers.
Sorry, kids. Business is business. Now, that drippy tap won't fix itself.
I think we need to have a word with Norman and Hannah.
Okay, everyone. You all know your motivation. Body cams on. Let's make ocean rescue movie history.
I think directing this ocean rescue video has really gone to Station Officer Steele's head.
Come on, Ellie. Ready for our close-up?
And... action. Remember, Sam, you're supposed to be lost at sea and need rescuing.
Help! Help! I'm lost at sea and need rescuing.
Now, Cridlington. I'm the king of the world! Cut! Cut! Cridlington! All I can see is your nostril. And stop dangling there like a sack of potatoes.
Oh, this is the worst ocean rescue video ever.
You two, stop washing cars at once. The car wash was our idea.
No way! We want to see the new Flex Dexter film too, and we're going to buy popcorn and fizzy pop.
Norman, come on! Time is money. Stop talking and get waxing.
They've got wax. We haven't even got clean water.
Ha! It's not our fault your car wash is rubbish.
We'll see about that, Norman Price, because we're going to set up our car wash right here. Yeah. Then we'll see you get the customers.
Get him in the harness, Cridlington, and point your body cam at him while you're doing it.
It's a bit tricky doing both, sir.
Well, that's an interesting way of doing it.
Give me distress, Sam.
Help! I'm lost at sea and need rescuing.
And Cridlington, please try and look a bit more like an action hero, would you? I know it's a stretch.
Oh, what if I make my muscles look big and do a Flex Dexter smile? Oh!
I'm not sure it's working. Just get Sam into the harness, Elvis.
Okay, Ellie. Tom, I think we're ready. Bring us up.
Here we go. The big one. The action shot. The grand... Cut!
Hello, Mrs. Flood. Welcome to the best car wash in a town.
Yes, that would be us.
With our wash, you get a free ice cold lemonade while you wait, and you can stroke Woolly. Ooh.
But at our car wash, we clean it inside and out.
Well, I would like some lemonade.
But, Mum, you're my mum.
Ah, yes, I suppose I am. Go on then, Sarah. Wash away.
Right, team, let's get cracking.
comes my mum to complete your nasty game, Mandy.
Come and get your car washed by us, Dillis. You get free lemonade.
And you can stroke Woolly.
Sorry, but I think I'll go to that car wash.
What?
I'm sorry, my little treasure, but you've got that horrible custard juice stuck to the dashboard. And it looks like they clean cars inside and out.
Trust you to stick a custard chew to the dashboard, Norman.
Oh, what? Oh, get off! Unhand me, you woolly rascal!
Oh, no, Dillis. You've got another custard chew stuck to the back of your top.
Shoo, shoo, Woolly, shoo, bad sheep.
Hurry up, Sarah. We've got another customer. I'll be as quick as I can.
Oh, I'm being eaten by a sheep!
Oh, Sarah, watch out. You're rolling. Oh. I can't reach the pedals.
Oh no, Sarah's rolling away.
And she's heading straight for the beach.
Better call Ocean Rescue.
Sarah Jones is trapped in Nurse Flood's car and it's heading straight for the beach.
Sarah Jones is trapped in Nurse Flood's car, and it's heading straight for the beach.
Sarah, if you can hear me,
Pick up the handset.
Sarah, do you read me?
I can hear you, Uncle Sam. Loud and clear.
Help is on the way, but the tide is coming in and you need to make yourself safe until we get there. Listen carefully. I'm going to
Tell you what you need to do.
Roger that, Uncle Sam.
Okay, Sarah. Once you have taken off your seatbelt, roll down the window and get out of the car. Remember, seatbelt, window out.
I've got it, Uncle Sam. Seatbelt, window, out. Seatbelt, window, out.
That's it, Sarah. Don't worry, Sarah. I've got you.
You go, Elvis!
Well, I'm glad everyone is safe and sound, Sam, but our drills didn't exactly go as planned. And I didn't get any good footage for my ocean rescue epic.
I think you might actually have the best ocean rescue epic ever, sir. Everyone's body cams were still on when we rescued Sarah.
I know you didn't do it on purpose, Sarah, but you need to be really careful when you're inside a car and never touch any of the controls.
Sorry, Penny.
I don't suppose we'll ever get to see the new Flex Dexter movie now.
I wouldn't worry about that, James. I know an even better movie you can see instead.
Welcome to the premiere of our new promotional video. Introducing our new action hero and star of the silver screen, Elvis Cridlington.
I'm the king of the world!
Oh, no, not this version.